Hello everybody, this is Abhishek and in this video I'll be going to demonstrate Unix program uh, in the shell script. And for today's topic, it's array. So actually what we're doing in this video, in this program, uh, it's a we are creating a user-defined function and an array. So basically today we'll be dealing with two programs. First, creating a bank management system, and the second one is creating a library management system. So starting with the bank management system. So over here you can see this is the uh, shell script program for the bank management system. So over here it is the balance, user, act, active. Okay, so after that you can see over here. So for initially what we'll do, it will ask the user to enter the number. So here you can see like the program starts from this loop over here, while loop. So it says like enter the number of user. Okay, then there's a name as active is equal to -1. So when initially the value is -1, so if I read like if act is equal to initializer 0, initialize 0, if a active is equal to 1. If it is 1, then what we need to enter the value. Okay, so after the entering the value, we need to enter the user. Okay, so after entering the user, this is a switch case over here. It's somewhat like it's not exactly, it's just if else over here, sorry. So what we are performing three functions over here, like deposit, withdraw and check balance. So what if then the first of all, the number of the user we entered like 1, so it will ask for the enter the user number. So if you enter the user number as 1, so we can, so it will perform the basic three operations like deposit, withdraw and check balance. I'll run this program. Like it says like enter the user number is equal to 1, enter your name, let it be ABC, and it says like enter the number, enter the username. I entered the 1. So it asks for the options like what is the user need and what he is supposed to do. Suppose I'll deposit a value over there, so I press it 1, you enter the amount to be deposited, let it be 1000. So enter the 1000, like enter the user number 1. So it again asks for the what are the users wishes to do. So I'll press for the 3 to check the balance. So it says like when I press 3, it says it to check the balance, and it says like initially for the user 1 the balance was 1000. So it displays. So now I'll exit the program, that is for the 4, and it again asks for the uh, asks for your name. So and it will be keep on adding for the new users. So that's all was for the this bank management system. Now we'll be moving towards the creating a like a library management system. Yeah. So this is the program for the library management system. So over here you can see like there are like we have a variable for the name, author, pages, price is there, and after that over here for this for the displaying or the details for the adding book. And after adding the book, we have for the removing the book. Then after that there is a while statement. Actually the program starts running from here. Like if I run the program, it says like enter the options like, and we have five options over here. Starting from the add a book, remove a book, display the details. Then after that we had display our library books, and after that we have the exit option. So like if we add a book, it says like enter a book number, then it reads the active, and then again remove a book, then enter a book number, then active, then details, display, same thing. So after being displayed over here, if suppose is we are using the function. So over there, if I see like if I want to add a book, so what I'll do is I use case over here. So I'll go for the first one, that is add a book. So again I'll check where's the see over here. So over here there's a function. So the a function is created with the name as add book. So over here you can see the same thing we're using like add book over here. You can see that we are calling a function over here. So in the functions we have some following like operations which need to be done, like enter the following, like what is the name, then name has been read, then we have to enter the author, then after that we have to enter the page number, then similarly we have to year, then then price. So this is for the this is the function for the adding a book. Similarly we have a function for removing a book and displaying the details over here. So now I'll demonstrate the output of this program. So see, it's so over here it says like enter option. So first of all I'll go for adding a book. So if I say like enter a name, so I'll give a name as anything like your next, enter author, uh, ABC, and number of pages, let it be 200, your publishing 2001, 2001, price let be 200. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to display the details. So I will go for the 3 1, enter the book number. Book number was 1. So it's okay. So it says like name which has been entered as units. Author we have ABC, and number of pages is 200. Year of publishing is 2001, and price is 200 as per the details what we entered in the book. And after that I need to display the library book. So what I'll do, I'll go for the fourth option, and you can see like in the library books I just enter only for the units. So over here the in the displaying option I'm getting the option for the display only for the units. So now what I'll do, I'll remove the book, enter book number 1, I removed it. Now I'll display. So it says there's nothing. I remove the only one entry that was for the Unix, and there it's showing there's no entries over here. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video.